Blue jays. Blue jays are considered one of the world's most charming and intelligent birds. They can be found across forests of Central and Eastern North America, but in winter, migrate to the south. The blue jays have a stunning blue color with white and black plumage. The most distinguishing feature of this songbird is its noisy JJ-like calls, but they can also imitate the call of other species of birds. Male and females are similar in size and color. Blue jays can be very aggressive to other birds. They sometimes ruin nests, steal nestlings, decapitate, and steal eggs of other birds.